So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. First of all, a quick thing you need to understand that these two games, newly games are live. What is work-life balance and one is a cloud that cares. One of them will give you 100% surety of points. Means you'll be getting 2 arcade points if you complete this particular game. But here most of you are saying that there are no points mentioned. Actually, it is a work meet play. You need to understand what is work meet play game. Here we have a series of game which will be present from the start of January till the end of cohort, means till June. There will be a series of 7 games. Let me just open a notepad. So let me open the notepad here. Work Meet Play is a series of 7 games which I told earlier. Now here you need to be in top 50. Top 50 does not mean that you need to be in top 50 leaderboard. Okay, you need not to be in top 50 leaderboard. Top 50 people who earn this badge as soon as it is released. Means after 24 hours or within 24 hours. If you are in top 50, which will be decided by the Google team itself, then you'll be getting 1 arcade point. And if you don't get 1 arcade point, okay, then if you complete the whole series from January till June, whatever work we play games are there, you'll be getting 7 points for bonus. Okay. And if you are in top 50, say in January month you are in top 50, right? If you are in January month, you are in top 50 in the work meet play, you get 1 arcade point. Similarly, for the February also, we are in top 50, then we get 2 arcade points like this. And from afterwards, we are not in top 50. So you'll be getting total 7 plus 2, 9 arcade points. Okay, 2 arcade points for being in top 50 and 7 arcade points if you complete the whole series. So what's the point of the work meet play? It's just an additional game. As of now, just complete all the games which are listed. Okay, this work life and the level games, base camp and work trivia, all the games which are listed over here will give you point surety. One more special game, that is the certification zone, will be live very soon. So this video was particularly for this a cloud that cares work meet play game, so that you are able to understand which game you have to complete. If you want, you can complete this game. There is not an issue because solutions are already available on the channel. If you carefully look, I have updated all the solutions yesterday and all are working very fine. Okay, this is the playlist for the work meet play and this is for the trivia, sorry, this 2 pointer game. Okay, so make sure to complete it, and for remaining solutions also you can see level 1, level 2 and all the things are there. If you are new and want to know how to participate in the Google Cloud Arcade Challenge, so for them also I have created a complete playlist. Okay, whatever questions you are having in your mind, all are covered in this video, so make sure to watch it. Do like the video and subscribe the channel guys. Have a great day ahead. This was a quick update.